porridge is too hot.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll cool that porridge down.
My dress! It's ruined!
I'm sorry. I was just trying to help. Oh.
These pages are stuck.
Ooh, ooh, let me turn that page for you.
What's he doing? What?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I was just trying to help. Oh, no. All blocked up, eh?
Yes, it won't make a sound until I clear it out.
Oh, I can help. Let's have a look. Coming through. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll... There you go.